Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your account type on Instagram from personal to business in 2023. So they changed the place of the option. So let's just go to Instagram and go to our profile. So from here, after we are on our profile, we want to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And from here, we select settings and privacy. So now you don't have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to change your account type. Instead, what we need to do is click on creator tools and controls. So as you can see right here, we have branded content, monetization status, switch to professional account, and add new professional account. So if we want to switch to a professional account, we will just select this option, click continue a bunch of times. Then we can give more information about what our profile is about. And as you can see, it can take up to 30 minutes or 30 seconds, sorry, for this to update. So right here, you either choose creator or business. So I'm going to do simply creator. You click next, promotional emails. I'm going to skip this, not now. And then that's it. You have officially changed the type of your account. So yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you guys next time.